Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I want to share with you something really special to me. Recently, I finished writing my very first book called DotCom Secrets, and I actually want to give you a copy of this for free. But before we do, I want to explain to you really quickly what this book is about, but more importantly, I want to share with you what this book is not about. Now, this book, it's not about getting more traffic to your websites, okay? But after you read this and you understand the .com secrets, I promise you, you'll get exponentially more visitors and more people coming to your website. Now, this book, it's also not about increasing your conversions. Yet what you learn inside of here will increase your conversions more than any headline tweak or split test ever could even hope to accomplish. And all that's here inside this book. Now, if you're currently struggling to get people to actually come to your website, or when they actually come to your website to get those people to convert and to become buyers and to actually give you money, my guess is you probably think you have some type of traffic or conversion problem. But in my experience, after working with tens of thousands of businesses and entrepreneurs just like you all around the world, there rarely is it a traffic or a conversion problem. It typically comes back to something that's, at first, it's a lot harder to see, and that's the bad news, but it's a lot easier to fix, and that's the good news. For over a decade, I've had a really cool opportunity to work with entrepreneurs from all around the world, people like you and like me who want to change the world in our own little way. For example, a little while ago, I got a call from Drew Canoli. He runs a company called Fit Live TV. He lives down in San Diego, and they invited me to come fly down to San Diego and spend some time with them. Now, at the time, their company was making over $1 million a year, but unfortunately, they weren't profitable. Because of some changes at Facebook and some other internal struggles they ran into, they just weren't able to become profitable. And so they called me because they wanted help with two things. They wanted help with traffic and conversions. And I knew going into it that although that's what they thought they needed, that wasn't the issue. So we sat down and they kind of shared